Hey there, welcome to GLO TECH. Today I'm breaking down one of the most fundamental concepts in Java Object-Oriented Programming, or OOP, and we're going to demystify the difference between classes and objects. Now, what exactly is OOP? Think of it as a programming style where you use objects to design and build your applications. Instead of writing a bunch of separate procedures or functions that operate on data, you bundle the data, like variables, and the behavior, like methods, into these handy little packages called objects. Why is this so useful? Well, OOP makes your code faster to write, easier to manage, and way clearer in structure. It also follows something called the DRY principle. That's don't repeat yourself. Write your code once, reuse it everywhere, and not only do you save time, but you also reduce bugs. It's like the golden rule of programming. Alright, now let's talk about the stars of today's video, classes and objects. Picture this. A class is like a blueprint or a template. It defines the properties and behaviors that objects should have. But the object? That's the real deal. An actual real-world instance of the class. Let me give you a simple analogy. Imagine a class called fruit. This class defines traits like color, taste, or weight. When you create objects from this class, you get actual fruits like an apple, a banana, or a mango. Each one is a specific version, right? They all share the same general structure, but they're unique too. Here's another example. Think of a class as car. All cars, no matter the brand, have basic things like wheels, an engine, and the ability to move. But objects of this class could be a Volvo, an Audi, or a Toyota. Each car is slightly different in color, brand, or speed, but they all come from the same blueprint. So to sum it up, a class is the blueprint. An object is the real-world item you create from that blueprint. When you create an object from a class in Java, it automatically inherits all the variables and methods defined in the class. And here's the best part, you can customize those objects to make them fit your needs. Now I know this can feel a little abstract at first, but trust me, once you start using classes and objects in your code, it'll all click together. And hey, if you want me to dive deeper into Java concepts or cover other programming topics, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. And if you're stuck on anything, drop a comment below. I've got your back. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time here on GLO TECH. Until then, happy coding.